Good morning students of class 6. This is our second video of chapter 4 history. Now our next topic is life of the people of Indus Valley civilization. Along with the farming, peoples were engaged in different crafts also. A variety of pots with different designs and shapes have been found in Indus Valley civilizations. So Indus Valley people, they were not engaged themselves in farming, as well as they engaged themselves in different crafts also. So they made different types of pots of different designs and shape, which were found in Indus Valley civilizations. Copper and bronze were also used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels. Some metals were found in Indus Valley, that was copper and bronze, which were used to make tools, ornaments and vessels, as well as weapons also. A bronze statue of the dancing girl expresses the skill of the Harappan craftsmanship. So Harappan peoples, they made different variety of statues also. So one of the famous statue was the dancing girl, which was found in Harappan civilization, and this dancing girl was made up of bronze statue. Okay, it was bronze statue. They learned bead making also. Bead making was also another specialized craft of Harappan peoples. Beads were also made from a wide variety of materials. These beads were made up of a variety of materials like copper, bronze, shields. We can see here the picture of the dancing girl. This dancing girl is this is a picture of bronze statue of the dancing girl of Harappan civilization, which gives us the idea that this girl expresses the skill of the Harappan craftsmanship. These beads, they made, as I have said, that the beads were made up of a variety of materials like copper, bronze, gold, shields and baked clay also. Along with that, Harappan peoples Harappan peoples are another special contribution of, seals are also another special contribution of these Harappan civilizations. These seals were flat rectangular object which were made up of burnt clay. We can see here, this is the picture of Harappan seals. These seals were, most probably it was used by the merchants and traders to stamp their goods. So these seals were flat rectangular and these seals were made up of burnt clay only. Cotton weaving was also practiced in Harappan civilizations. Spindle wheels to spin threads have been found in some of the Harappan sites. The craftsmen specialized in one particular craft that account for the excellence of the craftsmanship. We can see here in this picture the Harappan people, they practice agriculture. They practice agriculture in the Harappan civilizations. They learn how to do agriculture in Harappan civilizations also. Next we can see here the trade of Harappan civilizations. Harappans traded to get raw materials. Means some evidences were collected. Some evidences that suggest that trade and commerce was an important activity which was carried out by Indus Valley civilizations. So Harappans, they traded to get raw materials. They got copper from Rajasthan, even from Oman in West Asia. They trade for raw material. Harappan people, they trade for raw materials. So they got some metals like copper they got from the Rajasthan, even from Oman in West Asia also. Tin which was blended with copper to get bronze was brought from Afghanistan and Iran. Some other metals also they get from Afghanistan and Iran. Means tin which was blended with copper to get bronze. Okay. Gold was also brought from Karnataka and precious stones from Gujarat and Iran and Afghanistan. Seals of the Harappan cultures found in Mesopotamia indicate the trade contact with them. So these are the places through which Harappan peoples, they started to do trade, okay, to get the raw materials. Seals of the Harappan cultures also found in Mesopotamia, which indicate that Harappan peoples have knowledge to do trade, okay. Next we can see some social classes of Harappan civilizations. The social classes were divided into different classes. The first one is the ruling class. We can see here the statue of this. A statue found at Harappan civilization it was an excellent specimen a specimen of their art. This is a statue of ruling class people. The ruling class they consisted of rich merchants, priests. They comes under the ruling class, kings also, who enjoyed powers and privilege and lived in the citadel. So in the citadel, as I have said, the town planning was divided in two parts. The higher ground was called citadel, and the lower town was for the common peoples. So in higher town, the most probably the ruling class peoples were lived. This is the picture of ruling class people. This is the picture of priest. Okay, so merchant and priest lived in they lived with their family in citadel. Next, we can see the producing class. The producing class, they consisted of craftsmen. Under the producing class, craftsmen, merchants, scribes, they lived in the lower towns. Scribes means a person whose job was to write copies of documentaries, especially before printing was invented. So craftsman, merchant, and scribe, they lived in the lower town. Lower town, it was in the eastern part of the citadel. Next, we can see the third class was the laborers and peasants. Peasants means farmers. The farmers were the food producers who lived in the villages around the city. Laborers who did the physical work lived in small huts on the outskirts of the city. Outskirts means out of the city. Laborers, they lived with their family out of the cities, and farmers were the food producers. They lived in the villages. So in this way, the social class was divided into the different classes of the Harappan civilization. The first one was the ruling class, second one was the producing class, and the third one was the laborers and the peasants class. Now students, we will do here the homework. The first one is very short answer questions. Define the term civilizations. The term civilizations means a highly advanced culture with towns and cities, crafts and trades, literature, and organized form of government. Civilizations means a highly advanced culture with towns, means as for example we can take the Harappan civilization. It was the advanced culture, means it was the highly advanced civilization where town and cities were developed, as well as crafts, trade was also there, and there was an organized form of government was also in the Harappan civilization. Next, we can see that which other civilizations was contemporary to that of the Indus Valley civilizations. So, following the three civilizations were contemporary. That of the Indus Valley civilizations were the Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, and Chinese civilization. So, before Harappan civilization, three more civilizations were there. That was Mesopotamian civilization, Egyptian civilization, and Chinese civilization. Mesopotamian civilization, it was developed along the river of Tigris. Egyptian civilization, it was developed on the bank of the river Nile. Chinese civilization, it was developed on the bank of the river Hongho. And the fourth one civilization, that was the Harappan civilization, it was flourished on the bank of the river Indus. Next, we can see which type of farming was practiced by the Harappan. The mixed type of farming was practiced by the Harappan peoples. It means that they cultivated the fields, produced crops, and also domesticated the animals. Mixed type of farming means that type of farming means they do cultivation also, they produce the crops also, and also they domesticate the animals. So this type of farming was practiced by the Harappan people. Which different types of toys did the Harappan peoples use? So they used the toys which was used, the toys which are used by Harappan peoples were small clay carts, marbles, dolls, and animals figure. These were the types of toys which was used by the Harappan peoples. Next is the script. Name the script used by the Harappan people. What was it about? The Harappan script was pictographic. Pictographic means it had the pictures like sign which representing the ideas, objects, and words. So this type of picture is called pictographic picture, pictographic script. It had the pictures like sign representing ideas, object, and word. So the script had been engraved on seal. Harappan script has not been deciphered. These scripts had been engraved on the seal, and it shows that the Harappan script has not been deciphered. So this is all for today, students. Thank you and have a nice day.